इस वीडियो से मैं वालिदैन की शान में गुस्ताखी करना हरगिज़ नहीं चाहता, बल्कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि आजकल के वालिदैन को पता चले कि उनकी क्या गलतियाँ हैं। वो अपने बच्चों की सलाहियतों को ख़ुद ख़त्म ना करें, बल्कि उन्हें उभारें। अगर इस वीडियो से किसी वालिदैन की दिल आज़ारी हो तो मैं माफ़ी का तलबगार हूँ। शुक्रिया।
Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. The topic which I have chosen for this video is related to middle class people. According to a precise survey, it is said that majority of children and young agers of middle class are in depression and in tension. Why they are so depressed? There are specific reasons behind it, and I will explain that reasons in this video. And viewers, if you want to watch more informative and aware videos like this, so support me through your subscriptions and likes, because every weekend I come up with new videos. And you can also watch this video in Urdu by clicking on the link given in the description section. So friends, my question was that why are new generations of middle class so depressed? The reason behind this depression and tension is only their parents. How? How their parents became the reason behind this? The parents became a reason behind this because as majority of middle class parents are illiterate and uneducated, so they always compare their children with others. They want to see their children better and best than others' children. So what happens? When their children are not better than others, they scold and even beat them, saying, "You are duffer, you cannot do anything. See his child, how he is doing." And they always scold their child. And one day came when their child realized that yes, I am duffer, I cannot do anything, and this makes them depressed. Friends, now I want to explain you that why middle class parents always compare their children with others. They compare their children with others because they cannot compare themselves. They haven't any achievement in their life, and that's why they want to use their children as a trophy to show others. They always focuses that what are people saying about him, what are responses of people about him, and this process make their children depressed. And by depression and inferiority complex, their children lost their abilities and qualities, and that's why they are not successful. And if some of them are successful, this is their confidence that make them able to pass this challenge. I want to perceive a message to all parents that please stop this kind of thinking. Think as broad-minded, and instead of focusing on comparison with others' children, you should focus on your own child and get yourself out of this syndrome that what will people say, and think that you will act upon my message. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.